Why is this a big news? The trend nowadays, Kamiranda, is if you go to MicroStrategy, talk to me, what's their business? Wala. But why are they very resilient on the current trajectory ng mga tech stocks? The only reason is because sila po ay heavily tied with Bitcoin. That's the reason why even if Tesla is down, Nvidia, Microsoft, Facebook, and Google, while all of these top 10 tech stocks are down, no, MicroStrategy is still up there. So one might argue, so Coach Miranda, bakit naman po, no, Tesla is also heavily backed up by, by Bitcoin. They have $2 billion of Bitcoin, but that's just $2 billion. We're talking about $43 billion worth of Bitcoin in the MicroStrategy balance sheet. And by the way, Tesla is currently hit by several, negative optics. Talking about the exposure of Elon Musk in Doge. No, that's the reason why most recently sabi niya, kakalma muna ako kasi nga he is being asked by the shareholders of Tesla to calm down.